It has no eyes, no mouth, no muscles. It cannot scream, yet it survived every mass extinction. It has no brain, yet it solves problems, remembers the past, and navigates the world better than most animals. It lives in your backyard. It might be beneath your feet right now, and some scientists believe it could teach us how to build alien intelligence. This is Physarum polycephalum, a slime mold. It's not here to be eaten. It's here to think. And its story may force us to redefine what it means to be alive.
1 billion years ago, long before dinosaurs roamed or forests bloomed, Earth was a soup of possibilities. Life was simple, single cells, algae, bacteria. But then came an outlier. It did not evolve eyes to see or legs to run. It spread like breath across a mirror, reaching, recoiling, remembering. It was not an animal, not a plant, not fungus. It was something else. This was the age of the slime molds, and among them one stood out. Physarum polycephalum, a single cell with thousands of nuclei and a peculiar talent. It could learn.
In Tokyo, scientists placed food at two ends of a maze. Within hours, the slime mold connected the dots, finding the shortest path. No brain, no neurons. Yet it remembered the way. It's as if the mold thinks with its body, a logic written in motion, in shape, in change. But Earth is not a gentle place, and intelligence must be tested. The last ice age was ending. Glaciers wept. Floods raced through canyons. The world shifted. Fast. In a silent forest, under a dying log, one slime mold colony was stranded. The bark had dried. Light poured in. Death came, slowly. One tendril, a pale filament no wider than a hair, stretched out. It remembered the cool moss it touched days ago. It avoided the salt left behind by insects. And like a memory crawling through time, it moved. It didn't just survive. It learned. It evolved. Another colony faced a new predator, an army of invasive ants. Each time it sent a tendril into the open, it was bitten, shredded, dragged away. Until something changed. The slime mold began withholding parts of itself, sending decoys, mapping the predator's patterns. On day 4, it slipped past the ants, completely unseen. This is not random behavior. This is emergent intelligence, and the world was beginning to notice. Today, the slime mold still thrives, not just in forests, but in laboratories, on petri dishes, even in space stations. It is studied for what it might teach us about memory, design, and the origin of intelligence. It can replicate highway systems, optimize data flow, even model brainless decision-making. It is teaching AI researchers how to think outside the neuron. But here's what haunts us. What if Physarum is just the first mind to evolve without a body, but not the last? It has no ears, but it can hear signals. It has no voice, but it sends messages. It has no face, but it recognizes itself. If this is the beginning of brainless intelligence, then the real question is, what else is thinking out there, silently, invisibly, that we haven't recognized yet? In 2021, researchers exposed Physarum to a new challenge, a choice between food and light, survival and pain. What it did next shocked the scientific community, because it didn't just react, It paused, it hesitated, and then it made a decision that defied all logic. It may not have a brain, but it might have free will. Subscribe, like, and share if you're ready to rethink what intelligence really means.